So I've prepped the frame and the swing arm, I've welded the swing arm, cleaned it all with isopropyl alcohol. Cool. Use it. And I've got a 2-in-1 paint. It's a primer and paint in one for all for steel work and metal work, so that should give it a nice good finish. So yeah, let's get coating it, make it look like a new bike again. So the paint I'm using is from Toolstation. It's called Pro-cote and it's satin black. It's a tough industrial paint, so perfect for bike frames and swing arms. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description, so if you need it, you know where to get it. as you can see, I'm using a heat gun here. I've used this technique in the past and it really helps to harden the paint, especially when you're painting outside and the temperatures are as low as they are. When I was painting this, it was around 2 to 3 degrees outside, so really cold. The metal was cold, the paint was cold. So yeah, I've just found this technique really helps to just harden the paint and get a good finish on it. So there it is, all painted up, looking really nice. Yeah, can't wait to get this thing assembled now. Still waiting for loads of parts to turn up and potentially picking up 2 more bikes to either use as parts bikes or new projects. So yeah, it's going to be really good. I'm really pleased with how the frame and the swing arm have come out. Look really good, way better than it did before. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe you could be winning this bike very soon. Catch you later.